Okay. It's important, first of all, guys, follow my follow my pointer. Huwag muna kayong magbasa. Just follow my pointer. Iisa-isahin natin yan. It's important to really explain na 6 months lang talaga ang Pure Tear. Kasi ang karamihan ng mga kliyente natin na-overwhelm. Parang vitamin C ba yan for life? Kailangan ko ba yan i-take for how many years? Paano ko maa-afford ang 6 months, 170 if I have to continue taking it on mega dose? Mga ganyan. Kailangan, guys, when you play chess, grandmasters win because they can visualize 16 steps ahead from a single move. So yung opponent nila mag-move ng isang piece, isang pawn, sa specific location, alam na kagad nila kung ano mga possible combination yan, 16 steps ahead. Following?
Yes.
Yeah? So when you're doing Pure Tear, parang ganyan dapat ang mindset nyo. You must preempt kung ano yung kinakatakutan ng kliyente mo. One of the fear is the duration of intake. Okay? So you have to emphasize that it's 6 months. And you have to break down the normal dosage. Bear in mind na takot ako mag-mega dose, especially for a kidney patient. So, wag basta-basta dialysis, 10 by 10 by 10, 6 months. Matutuloy yung kliyente nyo niyan, okay? Usually ako, progressive, kabaliktaran. I usually conservatively start with 1 by 1, and then fina-follow up ko kung kumusta ang healing reaction niya. Kasi baka ma-dehydrate sa kakadiarrhea. And then pag kinaya naman ng katawan, saka ko i-increase. Okay? But the normal dosage is 2 by 2 in the morning. 2 by 2 for the first 30 days. And 1 by 1 for the next 5 months. Okay? So, Pure Tear must be taken with prescription. Although sobrang ganda ng mga testimonial natin, huwag ka papayag na ihinto ang prescription nila until the doctor says so. Dahil yung mga nag-i-insulin, ganito ang mga diabetologists and endocrinologists sa mga severely diabetic patient. Dahil hindi nila alam kung ilang units talaga ang mag-i-effect for a diabetic person, trial and error sila. Halimbawa, magsisimula sila sa 20 units. Pag 20 units, 120 pa rin, ipapa-increase yan sa 24 units. Tapos pag mag-100 siya, mag-i-stay siya sa 24 units na injection. Until such time na tumaas ulit, then they will increase it to 30 units. Following?
Yes.
Okay. So, ngayon, when they take Pure Tear together with your prescription, they will notice na pag-take nila ng insulin at pag-take nila ng Pure Tear, ang dating 24 units nila, nagna-90 na lang. So, kailangan na niya magtanong sa doktor kung pwede bang babaan yung units into 15, into 10, into 5, into 3 units. Ang doktor ang magsasabi kung bababa or hindi, or tatanggalin totally, like Dr. Leo Olarte. 15 years on insulin. Pero yung nag-hypoglycemic na siya, pinatanggal ang insulin, nag-retain ng Pure Tear. Pero doktor ang magsasabi niyan. Naintindihan?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to take together with prescription. And remember to emphasize that Pure Tear is a supplement to help the body repair itself. And they may choose to stop or continue with the therapy. Better to continue kasi meron naman silang allocation sa product wallet if they do the distribution seriously. Alam nyo ba, na kada commission nyo, sabihin natin may 1,000 reway, 43,000 pesos. Kasi 1 reway is 43 pesos. 1 reway is 1 Singapore dollars. Okay? So, 1 Reway is 43 pesos. Kunyari, may 1,000 Reway points kayo. 43,000 pesos. Alam nyo ba, nadadagdagan yan ng Reway ng 100 para sa libreng pure tier nyo na you can claim over the counter?